Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we learn how to determine if two given integers are similar based on their divisibility by a given divisor. This is a practical application of conditional checks in JavaScript. In this problem, we checked whether the two integers share the same divisibility status relative to a divisor. If both are divisible or both are not divisible, we consider them similar. The JavaScript function checking numbers determines the similarity of the two given integers based on their divisibility by the given divisor. We'll explore how it works step by step. The function uses simple logic with a modulus operator to determine if both the integers share the same divisibility status. Let's see how this works with examples. In this example, both integers 10 and 25 are divisible by 5. Thus, the program correctly returns true. Here, neither integer is divisible by 3. The program identifies this similarity and returns true. In this case, one integer is divisible by 4 and the other is not. Since they do not share the same divisibility status, the program correctly returns false. The ES6 version of the function is more concise, using an arrow function and implicit returns for cleaner code. In summary, this program efficiently checks if two integers are similarly divisible or not divisible by a divisor, using straightforward logic and clean code. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next one.